The world is making adjustments following a new and even more infectious strain of the coronavirus spreading in the United Kingdom and beyond. It comes with nearly 80 million known infections around the world, resulting in at least 1.7 million deaths. Holly Williams has more on the global impact of the pandemic this morning.
There were no crowds in the Vatican's St. Peter's Square yesterday, where normally they gather in their tens of thousands to hear the Pope's Christmas blessing. No worshippers in Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris, though they did broadcast this concert recorded in the medieval structure damaged by a fire last year. And here in London, many people felt that Christmas had effectively been cancelled, as we saw earlier this week in the city's commercial heart. The government says the country has entered its worst recession in 300 years.
This is Oxford Street, normally the busiest shopping street in all of Europe. As you can see, it is eerily quiet after a new mutated version of the virus was discovered here in the UK and London went into strict lockdown.
The authorities here said the new strain was more infectious.
A heartbreaking Christmas for millions of people.
Mixing between households, including on Christmas Day, was banned.
For Christians,
Queen Elizabeth gave her traditional Christmas Day message from Windsor Castle, where she's social distancing in splendour.
in the United Kingdom and around the world, people have risen magnificently to the challenges of the year.
But for thousands of truck drivers left stranded on the roadside when France closed its border to the UK, there wasn't much to celebrate, just frustration and anger. For Christians, this festival is a time of hope, symbolised by the birth of the baby Jesus. And amongst the despair and the loneliness, there is hope this Christmas. For billions of people of all faiths, it comes in the form of a vaccine.
In the Pope's Christmas Day address yesterday to a small, socially distanced group, he called for international cooperation by governments and businesses to make sure that everyone gets access to vaccines for COVID-19, especially the most vulnerable and the needy. The Pope said, quote, "We cannot erect walls. All of us are in the same boat." Jerika.
Holly Williams, thank you.